Easter basket, and then we'll do the puzzle. Look.
There it is.
What? Right there?
Yeah, for a new puzzle. It's a fancy nasty puzzle.
Whoa!
Fancy nasty
Cool.
puzzle.
What else is in there?
This. What's this thing?
Let's see. Oh, it's a little princess pen.
And Tinkerbell.
Oh,
Tinkerbell.
Tinkerbell.
Yeah.
What else did you get from the Easter Bunny?
Like I think like a Dora book.
Oh, it looks like a Dora coloring book with some stickers.
Cool.
And boots.
What else is in there?
I don't know.
Okay, what else? Look. Cool puzzle.
Look what
You know what those are?
Yeah.
I think those are some cool
Bubbles.
fancy bubbles.
Cool. We'll do that when it gets a little bit nicer out today.
Okay.
Oh, 2 of them. Cool.
That's nice. So if you have a friend over, you can both do bubbles.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is this? What's this?
What is that? Oh, little library. Guess how much I love you, little library. It's a, look at little books.
Yeah.
Little books. Your own little library.
What are these socks?
Do you like those? Little pretty butterfly socks.
Yeah.
Cool.
Play for. But could you put
What's that? What's the last thing? Easter sticker book.
Could you do?
It's a little sticker book. Oh, let's see here. Looks like there's a little. Whoa, look.
Yeah.
All these stickers. Bunnies and eggs and flowers.
It-
Cool.
I even was thinking about.
Yep, I